Hi everyone, let's try to see what we are going to create today. Okay, it's very amazing. Let's try to create that. Okay, at first we need to create a new slide. In the new slide we need to create that shape. The important thing is that shape and how it's going in and out. Let's see what we are going to create. We are going to create two rectangles, one here and one another here, and select both of them. Go to shape format, make the outline none. Okay, it's good. Now we are going to create the third shape. Let's find it. After we creating that, we need to align it in the center and middle. Align center, align middle. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to select these two and make them fragment. Okay, now you see we need to select these two and make them union. Or we can make the best way. We delete that, make these two and make them union. Now you see the shape is created. It's really easy to create this kind of shape. Now we need to align it. Set the shape outline to none. Okay, it's good. Select both of them, format objects. We are gonna fill it with the purple. It's good. And after filling that, we are going to give them shadow. I'm going to select this thing and give it some shadow that I like. This kind of shadow, and bring it to front for the shadow to be visible. Okay. Now this is the text. The text is just simple text that we created by using Overdrive Sunset as a font and color them one by one. Select one of them, go to shape format and change the text fill. It's easy. Now we need to copy this slide, but before copying we need to do something more amazing. We copy the text we make ready. Okay, it's here. We send it to back. Now copy that again. Here we do the work. We bring it out, bring this out, bring this up. Now we just set the transition to morph and copy this slide to the end. And for the ending, we delete this thing and just simply set the transition to morph. Okay, let's see what we created. You see, it's looking great. If you like it, please like and subscribe and tell me the problems in the comment. I will be very happy to hear that. Have a nice time.